Today I will discuss with you a topic module 2 how to manage the virtual machine. First of all, I will show you how to download the XenCenter from the XenServer. You can download the XenCenter to manage the XenServer from internet, but if your version is not same, you cannot properly manage the XenCenter and XenServer. So it's better option to download the XenCenter from XenServer. So how to download it, I will show you now. First, I will check the XenServer is communicating with our system. So this is our XenServer and this is our IP 10.128.8.252. This is our IP. So first I will check the communication ping 10.128.8.252. Oh, this is correctly communicating. So now I'm download the XenCenter from XenServer. From here, I'll only write this IP on the address bar. This IP, this is the XenServer IP 10.128 128.8.252. Okay. Oh, this is the XenCenter CDMS and this is the XenCenter installer, and you download this to install your XenCenter to your PC or laptop, or you can download this. This is a CD image and this is the install file. This is the exe file. Okay, thank you. This is the download system, and install it on your system, on your computer, and I already installed it on my PC. So now we'll discuss our second module. So first of all, this is a gen tool. This is a very important gen tool for your performance of VM. So first of all, hot plugs drives for guest poem. So it's allowing adding and removing the network interface storage disk. So without the hot plugs, you cannot do this. So it's allow the adding and removing the network interface and storage disk without shutting down the VM. So gen tool provide a channel through which host and VM OS can communicate. So it's very important. It's used for VM shutdown and restart from host, time synchronization, and monitoring the VM status. So it's very important, gen tools. And another useful option is gen tool are para-virtualize the driver that offer the high performance. High performance means it's improve your performance, offer the additional machine control option are required for feature like gen motion and dynamic memory. So it's very important. So now I'm sure how to create the new VM. So you create your VM from XenCenter. This is the view of XenCenter, and you can use the ISO to install your VM from your hard disk or optical driver or ISO file, or you can install it from your network PXC. Network PXC means boot OS over the network, no ISO, no USB. So we know two types of template in XenServer. GenServer template. Now I will discuss about your template. Template means this is the template of GenServer. This is the template. All of the example of templates. So two types of templates. One type of templates is pre-built template. This is the pre-built template, which is uh, designed by our GenCenter. So you will use pre-configured setting built-in templates. So pre-configured setting built-in templates mean it's the basic VM setting. It's a basic VM setting. It's empty disks. So when you install it, you can select from where you can install it. So it has empty disks, and you must install OS manually. And number B, this is the second option of your template. This is the custom template. So from the template is basically VM read-only hard disk to serve the golden image for rapidly deploying the similar VM. So this is the second option of VM. Like Siemens or other enterprise, they are using this option. So they are using the custom GenCenter, not a typical this GenCenter. So when you use this custom GenCenter, you can create a golden image of your golden image of your VMs. And if any problem, you can rapidly deploying this similar VM. VM should have no snapshot. For Windows, use the sysprep. So sysprep is very important tools. So without sysprep, we cannot cloning the VM, or with sysprep, each VM become unique automatically, because sysprep remove the unique ID of your OS. So this is very important and very useful tools for your VM. So now I'm showing you in our lab how to create the VM. So this is our GenServer, and I'm open our GenCenter. I'm connect the GenServer to the GenCenter. So this is the IP, and I'm double clicking here, and this is the username and root means I'm using my own password, which is given when I install the GenServer. The GenServer password. This is the GenServer password. Okay, minimum 6-digit password required. Oh, username or password 128.8.252. Oh, okay, first time password was wrong. Okay, this is my GenCenter. I'm open only GenServer 1. I'm not open this GenServer 2. So GenServer 1, this is GenServer 1. I'm deleting this delete this VM. Okay, I'm deleting this VM, and also this VM, also this IS assembly library, and also this VM. Okay, now I'm show you how to install your VM. So to install this VM, first you add your ISO file to the storage. So this is first of all new SR. SR means storage repository. If you use the ISO library, these two options: Windows File Sharing Server, SMB or CFS, or NFS ISO library. So I'm using my laptop, and so from my laptop I use this system. So first of all, uh, I create a share folder. Okay, from OS, uh, I already uh, create a folder. Name is ISO. Name it ISO, and in this folder I put a Windows 7 64-bit ISO file. And after putting this ISO file in this folder, then I'm sharing this folder to my network. Show more option and go to properties and share, and share here. Oh, sorry, uh, advanced sharing, and select your file and comment, and then give permission. For lab practice, you allow all of this and set permission for everyone. Then press OK. Okay, file already shared on my network, and I will check. So from your run, you check your IP address for sharing. So how you check your IP address? From here you check ipconfig, ipc1 fig ipconfig. So your IP address is 10.128.9.252. This is my laptop IP address, laptop internet IP address. So this file sharing means it's on my laptop internet. So this IP address is wrong. This would be 9 and 252, 252, 252. This is similar. This is the 10.128, 9 to 52. Okay. Okay. This is my folder which was in my drive C. So this is the folder. So you can copy this address. So Control C, and this copy this address. So you can copy here, and it would be recorded within a minute. So now go to XenCenter, storage, new ISR, and Windows file sharing systems, CFS, FS, SMB, or SMB, new ISO SMB library name, and this is the system. So you directly put this copied address here, and use the name. This is your PC login name. My PC login name. How can I find this who I am? So you here and click who am I. So WH who am I. So who are you? I am Asos, ASUS, Asos. Okay, I am Asos, ASUS, Asos, and password, your login password, your laptop login password, not XenServer login password. Okay, finish. Oh, creating SR. Okay, already created my SR. So here ignore this cross sign, red cross sign, because this already added below because but my Gen server 2 is not run. That's why it shows cross sign. So that's why this file is showing the cross sign. So ignore this cross sign. Now already added my Gen server, and you can see here this is the ISO file, and where its destination is. The destination is here, and this is the UID, and this is the name. So this is my storage, and you can see here my file. So now I am creating a VM. So new VM, click here, and this was the basic setting and example, and this is the pre-configured some example which are already included in XenCenter. So if you use the custom XenCenter, so you can use the golden image. So this is the basic settings. So I'm using the Windows 7 64-bit 64-bit and now Win 7 64-bit. Okay, Win 7 64-bit, Win 7 Windows 7 64. Okay. Next, you can select from here my library. This is my I'm already added SMB ISO file here, and this is the ISO. So Win 7 64-bit ISO. Okay, same file I'm added here, and from the next, this is the home server, and you can select here your virtual CPU. Okay, and this is the one socket, 2 core per socket, or 2 core 1 core per socket. This is more efficient, I think. You can allocate my this is 2 GB is enough for practice. Next, CPU. This is the graphics that not required for service for a test. This is the local storage. You can edit from here. You can check here for this template. It's required the 24 GB, and I have free 42.65 GB. So when you install the Gen server, you check it properly. So okay. Then next, and you add the network, add and edit network from here, and you use the you can limit your speed from here, and I'm using the auto generator Mac. If you use or if you know your Mac, so you can click here. Auto generator Mac is generating a MAC address randomly. So okay, and you can add any network from here. You click here for your, if you use your in VM using the different networks, so you can add from here with MAC address. Thank you. Next, this is the finish. You can see your configuration. This is Windows 64-bit, and its naming. This is and the all configuration which I already set it. Create now. If I click here, this VM will be stored automatically. Okay. Okay. I mean unmark this. Okay. Create now. Okay. You can see here creating my VM. Okay. This is already creating. Okay. Okay, now I'm run this, start my VM. Okay, ignore. I want to eject the ISO base, continue. This is for my Gen server 2. Again, you can see here. Yeah, already run my VM. This Windows Server VM. This is the virtualization mode, hardware assisted virtualization mode, and this running time. And this is the memory. Already I'm set 2 GB memory it was, and this is the storage where my VM, and this is the network where I'm set the network, and this is the MAC address. This performance this is that I not set it, and you can see here this is the Gen server 1. This is my PM. Okay, This will be used within some minutes. So I'm using this and new async library. I'm using this. Okay. So no more today. Thank you. Your practice on your home. Thank you.